welcome to all. Now, today we see the chapter 7. It is the advanced topic to you. Carefully listen the topic. Function argument. Already we learned in this part 1, chapter 7. Now we deal with part 2. What is function argument? Argument are used to call a function. The function argument are four type. Before this, you recall the part 1, chapter 7. Okay. So the function arguments are four type. What are they? First one, required argument. Second, keyword argument. Third, default argument. Four, variable length argument. We see one by one. What is required argument? Required arguments are the arguments passed to function in correct positional order. It should be match exactly at least one parameter. Deeply given into your book, I cut short the important point. Then what is keyword argument? The keyword argument will involve the function after the parameter are recognized by their parameter names. Once again, keyword argument will invoke the function after the parameter are recognized by their parameter names. It means argument in improper order can be considered. We see the example one by one. What is default argument in Python? It's an important one. In Python, the default argument is an argument that take a default value if no value is provided in the function call. It means no argument is passed. If you get in your program, argument is passed is simply called as default argument. And then how to specify variable length argument? In some instance, we might need to pass more argument that have already been specified. The important point is not specified. For example, if you repeat the one or more than one argument, asterisk symbol is used. And then there are the two methods for argument, variable length argument. First one, non-keyword variable argument, simply called as tuple. We deal with tuple in later. And the next one, keyword variable argument. Do you know the Python print function is itself an example of such an function which support variable length argument. Variable length argument example specification is printf function. You already learned in our lab work. And then very important one, what is anonymous function? In Python, anonymous function is a function that is defined without name. Normal def keyword is used. Anonymous, if you apply anonymous function, lambda keyword used. Lambda assess global variable. Do you know global variable? The global variable lambda assess. Then what is the use of lambda? It's a 3-mark question. For creating small and one time in combination with the function, example filter, map and reduce. This is the use of lambda. I simply give to you. You go through the book elaborately. And then the syntax of anonymous function, lambda argument expression. And then what is the use of the return statement? The return statement causes your function to exit and return a value to its caller. Only one return statement, one of them is executed. It's a brief simple example. Briefly I say, elaborate notes should be given in your book. Go through the book. Okay. Then what is the syntax of return? Return expression list. Students, listen the live demo carefully. Now listen the live demo. I give examples based upon this topic. Listen. I take ideal Python. I already stored the program. in the Python folder, chapter 7. First one, this one, FDF1 file name. You see, it is the example for default argument. Here, def is a function name salary, return. It's a default argument example. I ran the program. You see the result, name money, salary rupees 3,500. Listen. Okay, the next one, next program, FDF2. I give the file name. You see the same default argument. Next example, here I change the name. First one money, second as ROM, the same. I run the program. You see the run model. You see the answer, name as ROM, salary as 2000. And the next one, you see the next program, FE3. Here we assume W equal to 3 and H equal to 5. We calculate the area, define, def means define, area W comma H. W comma H is the area. It should be calculated at the return value as W into H. So what is the answer? 3 into 5. The answer is 15. This is the output to you. Okay, very simple. So an example for def. And then last one, FE 7521, keyboard argument 1. It's an example for keyboard argument 1. Very simple. Print your name. The name is Hasan. See the answer? Okay, students, please thoroughly go through the Python program and try to work in your lab. Okay, now we continue. You see the above. Students practice to give the lab work. You see live demo now. Live demo, you see, students practice to do the given lab work in your laptop. You see, first I show the 4 example. The first example is, if you take the revise the book, page number 95. This is the first exercise you do, and then second exercise, page number 95, default argument 2. Third exercise, page number 92, passing parameter in function. Exercise number 4, lab work 4, revised book, page number 94, keyword argument 1. Okay. Then in evaluation, I asked 2 questions to you just to practice. How many type in function argument? What are the purpose of anonymous function? Before I conclude in this topic, this is the part 2, chapter 7, part 2, function. It's an advanced topic, important one. We learn all this. Function argument, 4 types of function argument: required, keyword, default, variable length, required argument, keyword argument, default argument, variable length argument, 2 method, printf function, anonymous function, use of lambda, syntax of anonymous function, return statement, syntax of return, live demo, 4 exercise, page number 95, first one, lab work, page number 95, then next one, page number 92, and then last one, page number 94. Okay, follow up. Students, see the clip very carefully. It is advanced topic of Python. If you have any doubt, give text message to my WhatsApp number. Practice the given exercise in your laptop. Thank you.